Hey there. I am going to do a quick pour today. I have some beautiful colors left and I'm anxious to use them. So I've got a 12-inch square canvas. I think I'm going to do another sink strainer pour. Those are so much fun. So I have colors mixed up already. They'll be in the link below. All kinds of rainbow colors. And so let's see what we can come up with here. I want the brightest to come out last. So it'll be on the bottom. So I'm going to do a little bit of white. Everything is mixed 1-to-1 with Owatrol. This paint is kind of thick. And it has a drop of OGX in all the colors. Really thick. Whoops. Doesn't help to drop it in there. So I'm going to take a little bit of Owatrol, which is what I mixed all the paint with first. This jug is almost empty. I'm just going to spread it around just to help the paint move a little faster. But I also have plenty of paint too, so I'm going to dab a little of it up because I don't need a lot. So here we go. This is what you call a dirty pour. When you pour all your colors in together, it's called a dirty pour. Pretty colors. So I'm going to let it keep moving on its own. So while we're waiting, These colors I pre-mixed, and I put 1:1 ratio of Owatrol, and then I put a drop of OGX in each cup of color. So it's going to have cells, and I don't know what's going to happen. So the last one I had less paint. This one I had more paint, so it filled in underneath pretty quickly. And I'm going to take my skewer and try to adjust the center just a little bit. So I used white at the bottom, which lightened up my yellow. But this one is going to the edges, so I'm going to just let it go. I'm gonna let it go off this corner. I'm tempted to keep playing with it. I put too much paint on the canvas, but that's okay. And you know, a lot of times when you put a lot of colors together, you will get mud, so I don't want to push it to the limit. But I like the way the central area has the yellow in it and it's kind of spreading out with the purple tones. I like that. That's why I left it there, because to me this right here is the prettiest part of the canvas. I don't know if I can tilt. No. I'm going to leave it just like that. I put very little green in, but the green can definitely take over. So you have to be really kind of careful with green. See, I can even mix a little pink and purple and add back a little color where it's gotten really kind of muddy looking. Maybe some orange and yellow. So you can play. What this does is it adds a little bit of oomph into the purple areas that have blended in so much. These are make-believe cells. Just trying to take the muddy parts and give them some life. So I've given it some lifelines. So I'm really done this time. I just added some streaks in the muddy areas to give it a little bit more life. But this looks kind of like an abstract flower to me, like that's the central part and it spreads out. I like it, so I'm going to leave it just like this. And some sticks because it feels like it's going downhill. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Come follow me on Instagram. I have a Patreon account, PayPal. My Facebook group, it's under the video, down where it says show more. My website, sandralett.com. So there's lots of places to find me and connect with me in other ways. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day.